In the world of modern architecture, black contemporary minimalist design has become a captivating choice for those who seek elegance and simplicity. By pairing clean lines, open spaces, and sophisticated black tones with soft, welcoming colors, this style creates a balance between boldness and warmth. The aesthetic is both dramatic and serene, appealing to those who value artistry, comfort, and restraint. Black in contemporary architecture isn't just a color, it's a statement. It evokes a sense of strength, timelessness, and sophistication. In minimalist design, where the goal is to strip away excess, black serves as both a foundation and an accent. The dark tones create depth and contrast, establishing a strong visual impact while maintaining an underlying sense of calm. Minimalism celebrates simplicity by focusing on what's essential, eliminating distractions. With a black contemporary design, this principle is amplified through unadorned walls, open floor plans, and furniture that serves both a functional and aesthetic role. The architecture's clean geometry and lack of unnecessary detail provide a sense of tranquility and freedom within the space. While black is powerful and commanding, soft colors like muted pastels, warm neutrals, and light grays introduce a sense of softness and openness to the design. These gentle tones create a visual contrast with the intensity of black, bringing balance to the space. They soften the starkness, making the environment feel more inviting and comfortable for its inhabitants. In a Black contemporary minimalist house, light plays a crucial role in shaping the mood and atmosphere. The dark hues absorb natural light, creating intimate pockets of shadow and highlighting architectural details. Softly colored walls or furnishings help bounce light throughout the space, ensuring that even the darkest corners feel illuminated and inviting. The interiors of a Black minimalist house are where the color contrast truly comes to life. Black furniture and fixtures serve as focal points, while soft-colored accents such as pillows, rugs, and curtains bring warmth and coziness. These elements introduce textures and layers that complement the sleekness of the design without overwhelming it, creating a sense of balance. When Black contemporary minimalist design extends beyond the interior, it creates a harmonious connection with the outdoors. Black exteriors blend seamlessly into their surroundings, whether nestled in an urban landscape or surrounded by nature. Softly colored landscaping elements, such as neutral planters and gently toned outdoor seating, ensure the structure feels integrated into its environment. In this design concept, nature plays a pivotal role in softening the starkness of Black. Large windows and open glass doors invite natural elements inside, creating a continuous dialogue between the indoors and outdoors. The presence of green plants, wooden textures, or stone accents in lighter hues brings an organic warmth that contrasts with the architectural lines. This blend of black and soft tones creates a space that feels both grounding and uplifting. The starkness of black provides a sense of calm and focus, while the soft colors evoke feelings of warmth and comfort. Together, they inspire a sense of harmony that promotes relaxation, creativity, and a connection to both the home and its inhabitants. Black contemporary minimalist design, when combined with soft colors, offers a fresh perspective on luxury and comfort. It's a design that encourages tranquility through simplicity, while embracing warmth through thoughtful contrasts. This approach is for those who appreciate both the elegance of boldness and the gentleness of subtlety, creating a home that's as timeless as it is modern.